Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can do slow motion in DaVinci Resolve 18. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So the first thing that you need to do guys is add the video that you want to make it slow motion. Go to file and then go to import. After that, click on media and then search for the video that you want to add. For example, I'm going to add this video. And now, in order to drag the video to the timeline, hold it and then drag it like this. And as you can see, guys, the video now is added to the timeline. So right now, in order to make this video slow motion, go down to this menu and then make sure that you click on the Fusion section. Once you click on Fusion section, you need right now here in Notes, you're going to need two tools, the time speed and the optical flow. So we're going to search for these two tools by clicking on Shift plus space on your keyboard. And then you're going to have this search bar. And now we're going to type time speed, click on it, and then click on add. And as you can see, guys, now it's added. And right now we're going to also search for optical flow. And as you can see, guys, this is it. Click on it and then click again on add. And now, as you can see, guys, we've added both. So go ahead and click on time speed. And once you select time speed, go to inspector, click on it. And then right here, we're going to have some tools. So right here in speed, you're going to find 1.0. So this means 100%. So for example, we're going to reduce it to 35%. You can change the delay, the interpolation mode, and so on. Once you finish with this, go ahead and select optical flow, click on inspector, and right here in advanced, you can also change the smoothness. And once you finish, you can go back to cut, play the video, and see that it's now in slow motion. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.